Hey guys, Danish here. Welcome back to another video. Today we will be talking about the recent photos I've been uploading. That effect is particularly called Dronception. Samples of that effect can be seen on your screen right now. So the effect is really easy to shoot, but it's hard to edit. Not so hard, but it does take time to get used to it. So instead of the traditional Photoshop method, I will teach you how to make the Dronception effect on your phone using an Android phone, exactly. On an Android phone using an app called Photo Editor. So for this particular image, I went to the railway tracks and the behind the scenes were as follows. It is a very simple process. As you can see from the image on your screens that you have to take a few photos from different angles and different heights of the drone. Now proceeding to the behind the scenes.
Takeoff.
Now going back to your phone, open Photo Editor, new file, select the canvas size, double the height of your width, adding image, just for simplicity, select two images that you want in your photo. The more images you add, the more curve you could add to your image, but just for simplicity we will be adding two photos and bringing one bend into the photo. The image obtained in this type of editing won't be as good as while using Photoshop. So you'll have to make do with what you get. For a detailed tutorial on using Photoshop for making this kind of images, I'll give links below. And done. If you like my videos and want to support my work, please subscribe to my channel and we will see you in the next one.